A very good morning to all the academicians, educationists and dignitaries who are present here today. Before I start my presentation, I would like to congratulate the team of Observe Now for having this beautiful convention and for achieving this convention and calling all of us together on the same stage. I would also like to congratulate Dr. Buddha for giving a very beautiful and invoking speech. Because although we have tried Atrai, which is an alternative for WhatsApp, but we all have to ponder about switching to Swadeshi in not just in AI, but in all terms in different fields, be it our personal items, be it our AI items, be it our technological items, if we want to bring growth to our country. So, Jai Hind. Swami Vivekananda. Arise, awake and do not stop until the goal is reached. उठो, जागो और अपने लक्ष्य की प्राप्ति करो. I am Dr. Shalya Raj, a dentist by profession and working as the Chief Executive Officer of Swami Vivekananda Subharati University, which is located on the Meerut Dehradun Highway. We will be talking about learning, skill development and early success. I think today everybody who is working wants to be successful, wants to earn a lot of money and be an entrepreneur, and that is what the youth of today wants. So, अगर हम सबको याद हो जब हम छोटे थे सबसे पहले या अब हम जब बड़े हो गए हैं तो हम जब भी किसी छोटे बच्चे से मिलते हैं तो सबसे पहला हमारा सवाल होता है क्या बनना चाहते हो बड़े होके, क्या बनोगे, डॉक्टर बनोगे, क्या बनोगे, पायलट बनोगे. सो अगर हम एक बहुत छोटे बच्चे से ये एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि उसको पता हो कि वो बड़े होके क्या बनेगा जबकि उसको शायद पता ही नहीं है कि जिंदगी होती क्या है. सो इफ वी वांट टू बी सक्सेसफुल इन लाइफ, आई थिंक द फर्स्ट थिंग विच वी वांट टू know, which we have to know, is what our aim in life is. Till you know what you aim to desire, you cannot be successful. So the first step to success is to know our aim, is to know what we want. Now once we know what our aim is, what do we do next? We skill ourselves. How do we skill ourselves? There are different steps to it. We educate ourselves, we practice, we train, we experience, we observe and we find a good teacher, a guru. जैसे हमारे पुराने ज़माने में गुरु होते थे, गुरुकुल होते थे. So this is a beautiful picture which I found. It beautifully depicts. So once you are educated, you are skilled, you can capture the whole world. So how do we go about it? This summarizes what we will be talking about today. Skilling means getting experience, getting ability, learning, having knowledge, having advanced training, having competence, and that will lead you ultimately to a goal, to growth and to achieve success. Success can mean different things to people. It can mean money, it can mean fame, it can mean a good position. So starting with what is education? Education can mean degree to you, education can mean skills to you. These are two beautiful sayings which I'm going to describe what education should actually mean. As Nelson Mandela said, it is the most powerful weapon which can help you change the world. Now, God has made us at the top of the triangle. Why? Why are we different? Why are we different from animals? Why are we different from any other species which we know? क्योंकि हमारे पास दिमाग है, हमारे पास ब्रेन पावर है. हम उससे क्या कर सकते हैं? हम डिफरेंशिएट कर सकते हैं, हम डिसाइड कर सकते हैं. We can differentiate between what is right, what is wrong. We can differentiate between what we want, what we should not want. And we can also decide that if we want to reach here, तो हमें ऐसे जाना है, हमें ऐसे जाना है या हमें ऐसे जाना है. क्योंकि किसी भी जगह पहुंचने के अलग अलग रास्ते होते हैं, सीधा, टेढ़ा, कूदकर. So that is how we can reach success. Now, to reach success, first step was to decide what we want. What are the other steps? एक कहावत है, अगर आप किसी चीज को चाहते हैं तो पूरी कायनात आपकी मदद करती है उस चीज को पाने के लिए. So you have to have a dream. and you have to have a dream about which you are passionate enough कि वो आपको सोने भी ना दे और उसके लिए आप जागना जरूरी समझें। ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि आप एक दिन उठे जागे कि हाँ आज मैं उठ गया हूं, आज मैं जाके वर्ल्ड को कॉन्कर करूंगा। नहीं, ऐसे नहीं होता। You have to dream, you have to be passionate about it, you have to work hard. You have to have discipline in your life. Do you think the soldiers of our country, we talk about the Kargil war, we just have the पहलगाम अटैक जिसके लिए हमने हमारे सोल्जर्स गए, उन्होंने लड़ाई करी, तो वो सिर्फ उठे और उन्होंने कहा कि हाँ चलो पाकिस्तान पे हमला करते हैं और जीत जाते हैं? नो, you have to have discipline, you have to work hard, you have to train yourself, you have to have the determination, you have to have the passion in yourself that you will do it. You will get up in the morning, you will work hard, you will train, you will scale yourself. And it is impossible. You may read the journey of any person who's successful today, who've been successful in their past, that everybody has had failures. Everybody has had failures, everybody has had fall downs, and everybody has faced hurdles. But they have had one thing, that they did not give up. They tried and they tried again. So basically what do? You do not give up, you try again, you keep doing it, and you do it again and again. There will be small but consistent and definite progress. Now, after education, in education, how do you scale yourself? There is the traditional way. For all people who are old school, the traditional way is education. You go to a university. Excuse me, can I have some water please? So old school, that you can go to different universities, you can have degrees, you can have, thank you so much. You can have laboratories, you can read different books, you can train yourself, you can practice. लेकिन उसके साथ क्या होता है? हम पुराने ज़माने से बहुत सारी बातें करते आए हैं। हम बात करते आए हैं गुरुकुल सिस्टम की, एंड हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट अ टीचर इज इन आवर लाइफ्स। आज की तारीख में स्टूडेंट्स आर वायर्ड डिफरेंटली। आई थिंक वी आर रियली अंडर एस्टिमेटिंग द पावर ऑफ अ टीचर। तो मैंने एक ये बहुत खूबसूरत पोएम निकाली है, which I am going to read out aloud, because I think that it is very important that every youth today understands how important a teacher, an academician can be for a person. गुरु बिन ज्ञान न होत है, गुरु बिन दिशा अनजान, गुरु बिन इंद्रिय न सिधे, गुरु बिन बड़े न शान। गुरु की कृपा हो शिष्य पर, पूरन हो सब काम। गुरु की सेवा करत ही मिले ब्रह्मा का धाम। गुरु अनंत तक जानिए, गुरु की ओर न छोर। गुरु प्रकाश का पुंज है, निशाबाद का भोर। However, just one addition to it, that you have to find the right guru. आज कलयुग के ज़माने में जब तक आपको एक सही गुरु नहीं मिलता जो आपको सही दिशा न दिखाए, आई थिंक everything becomes correct if you find the correct guru who can teach you, who can lead you, and who can guide you. But I will remind you, आप सब ने एक वो पिक्चर देखोगी, ऑल इज वेल, डॉक्टर अस्थाना। तो अगर हम समय के साथ नहीं चलते तो हम उस अंडे की तरह गिरा दिए जाते हैं जो एक कोयल के नेस्ट में रखा हुआ होता है, और अगर हम समय के साथ नहीं चलेंगे तो हम डायनासोर्स की तरह एक्सटिंक्ट हो जाएंगे। सो वी हैव टू कॉन्स्टेंटली अपस्किल आवरसेल्फ, वी हैव टू अपस्किल आवरसेल्फ। वी मे ट्राई द ट्रेडिशनल मेथड्स, बट हम सबको पता है कि हमारी लाइफ में आज सबसे ज़्यादा कमी किस चीज़ की है? समय की। It is impossible for all of us to go to traditional universities, follow the traditional courses. So all the councils, we should be thankful to the councils, to the government of India who have come up with these non-traditional courses. Now we have the chance. Age is not a barrier, gender is not a barrier, nothing is a barrier. अगर आपके अंदर चाह है, then you can upskill yourself through skill-based courses. There are vocational courses where you can start with the diploma, end to a degree, depending upon the time you have. There are credit-based courses, there are MOOC and SWAYAM courses. All of them are UGC approved and you can do them. Then another good thing which has happened today is that the industries and the universities are combining themselves. On today's date, the industry, what we require is early employment, early earning patterns, so that the youth can settle, the government, nation economy can grow. So what the industry does, the industry tells the universities that this is the requirement, this is a skill pattern, this is the curriculum which we require, and this is the जो अभी डॉक्टर बुद्धा ने हमको बताया कि हमारे यहाँ गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट तो हैं लेकिन पंखा ठीक करना नहीं आता था, तो इंडस्ट्री हमको क्या बताती है कि मुझे ऐसे स्किल बेस्ड लोग चाहिए जो मोबाइल रिपेयर कर सके, जो पंखे ठीक कर सके, जो ये कर सके, और आपके करिकुलम में सिर्फ बहुत सारी इतनी मोटी किताब की थ्योरी ना हो लेकिन प्रैक्टिकल इतना सारा हो. So that is the industry curriculum which is given to the universities, and universities plan the curriculum according to that and give them employment ready youth. So that is the kind of curriculum modification which is happening, and the employment ready youth is are being made ready for the industries to who can be given employment, and placements are happening that way. So that is also one government and council, different council initiatives. It may be AICT, it may be UGC, it may be the distance council, it may even be the medical and the dental councils which are taking these initiatives. Now coming to being time ready, हमें समय के साथ चलना है. We are in the age of AI. So before I talk about the different tools which are helping, आज की तारीख में हम totally टेक्नोलॉजी डिपेंडेंट है. चाहे वो फोन हो, चाहे वो मैप हो, चाहे वो ऊबर हो, चाहे वो हमारा नेटफ्लिक्स हो, चाहे एलेक्सा हो, सब चीज़. हम सुबह उठते हैं, हम एलेक्सा पे भजन लगाते हैं जो धार्मिक होंगे, जो नहीं धार्मिक हैं वो व्हाट्सएप पे सबसे पहले गुड मॉर्निंग मैसेज भेजते हैं. बट एवरीथिंग इज टेक्नोलॉजी savvy. So just to lighten the mood, I'm going to give you one example. अब हिंदी हमारी ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज है, बट अब हिंदी पढ़ते कब तक है? क्लास 10 तक. मैंने भी क्लास 10 तक पढ़ी थी 20 साल पहले, 20-25 साल हो गए होंगे. अब मैं अपने बच्चे को हिंदी पढ़ाने के लिए बैठी. हिंदी में क्रिया पढ़ानी थी उसे. अब क्रिया मुझे नहीं पता आप में से कितने लोगों को याद है कि क्रिया क्या होती है, तो मैं आपको बता देती हूँ. क्रिया वर्ब को कहते हैं, विच इज़ एन एक्शन वर्ड. क्रिया तो मुझे याद है, लेकिन क्रिया के भाग क्या होते हैं ये मुझे बिल्कुल भी नहीं याद था. एग्जाम था कल मतलब जिस दिन पढ़ा रही थी उससे कल. अब क्रिया के भाग में मुझे बताना दोस्तों कि व्हाट इज सकर्मक क्रिया क्या होती है और अकर्मक क्रिया क्या होती है. जब उस किताब में कहीं लिखा नहीं था, उसमें तो सिर्फ एग्जाम्पल्स लिखे थे. सो व्हाट डिड आई डू, मैंने चैट जीपीटी खोला, उसमें डाला कि सकर्मक क्रिया क्या होती है, अकर्मक क्रिया क्या होती है. विद इन 2 seconds उसने फट मुझे बताया कि ये होती है, उसको ऐसे आप पढ़ाइए, मतलब ऐसे पढ़ाइए नहीं बट इस तरीके से उसको आप समझिए और इस तरीके से एग्जाम्पल्स. एंड इट ऑल्सो गेव मी द MCQs, the exercises, and that is how much ChatGPT has involved in our lives, has incorporated itself in our lives. But what I want to point out here, the artificial intelligence was made by the intelligence of a man. And what we have to be careful about, that this intelligence should not overtake the intelligence of a man. So we have to use this artificial intelligence very intelligently so that it does not overtake. Today I was looking at the news, and in the first post, Palki Sharma, one of a very famous journalist, is talking about the layoffs which are happening in Google because AI is taking over a lot of posts in Google. So if it is having at such a large platform, so we have to be technology ready. We have to learn the artificial intelligence so that we are not laid off in future. So all of us have to learn AI so that we can be ready at all terms. Even in our university, a lot of learning, a lot of paperless work is happening through AI. Now, why are we talking about all this? Why do we have to start early? Why do we have to upskill ourselves? Why do we have to teach our students to skill themselves? Only because that we are in a world of competition, we are in a world of technology, we are in a world of population. If we do not start early, if we do not skill ourselves, we will be left behind. Now, as what I've been blabbering in the past, 7-8 minutes I've been talking, is that success is basically hard work and persistent. There will be rejections, there will be sacrifices and criticism, but we have to walk through all that and get success. What I've also trying to say, that with success, for failure will also come. Every coin will have two sides, so do not compare yourself with others, be your own competition. The more the successful you are, the larger the fall you will have. Failure is not the opposite of success, it is a part of success. It is a part of life. If you do not fail, you do not learn, and you will never be able to change and be better. Always remember that there is a supreme power which is guiding everything. There is always something better. If one door closes, there will be thousands of windows which will open. So believe in the power of Almighty. Never think that failure is final. There will always be a shining light. So I will end by saying that all power is within you. You can do anything and everything if you believe in it. Jai Hind. Thank you so much. Thank you for your patient listening. Jai Hind.